Hi, my name's Phil C from Brisbane City. Thank you so much for viewing this video. What I want to discuss today through this video is something very important, and something that is not often discussed enough in my opinion. Something that's not often discussed enough, and that is the reality behind trading. The reality behind retail trading, what it really takes to become profitable at this. So now we're going to transition to the video and discuss what it is that you need to do in order to actually make trading be profitable for you. Really good for you. So what I'm doing now is going through a strategy that I want to trade. It's a little variation of the trend continuation trade. I've added an extra filter to this strategy, and what I want to do is look for more intraday trading opportunities, because as everyone knows, on the Star Live trading account, we do a lot of swing trade timeframes. So that's the 15-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour time frame. Now 15-minute is more day trade as well. So, but I'm looking at 5-minute trading strategies. I'm looking for 5-minute chart opportunities in the times that I'm able to trade, because I'm trying to raise my capital, right? I'm trying to maximize the percentage that I get from the marketplace, which is why you're all here anyway, which is to make money trading, right? To make this work, to make money trading, make profits in the marketplace. And I just wanted to I'm about to wrap this up, and I'm backtesting here, and I just wanted to hint on something with you. And it is currently 10 p.m. and I'm usually I stay up a little bit later and continue doing this, but I need to let my body recover, and I need to power down, if you will. And I started to think of all the people that I work with. I started to think of all the star traders, and I was wondering if you or anyone else who is doing what I'm doing right now. Right? The market's closed, there's no movement going on whatsoever. This is the perfect time we can sit down and start testing our strategies. Or maybe you haven't even got that far to day trading at the moment. Maybe you're not even, you haven't got there yet, because you still haven't done the initial part, which is the testing phase. Which is the phase that nobody wants to do, right? And that's sitting here in front of the charts with your backtesting spreadsheet, with your charting package, and you're going through the markets bar by bar and testing your strategies. Because if a lot of you haven't done that yet, then you can't be trading. I want you to hear that again. You cannot be trading the live markets. Right? If you haven't tested, then you don't know that what you're trading is actually profitable. You don't know that what you're trading will make any money or not. Make sense? You don't know your numbers. Do you know that your strategy has a positive expectancy? Do you know your win percentage of the trading strategy you want to trade? Do you know what your risk management is? Do you know what your money management is? Do you know what your expected return is going to be? Your maximum allowable drawdown? This is all very important, is knowing your numbers. In business, successful, profitable business, you know your numbers. And this is no different. Because this, trading, is an entirely new profession for you. And it requires putting in the hard work. And I'm sitting here on a Saturday night, doing the hard work here, testing the new strategies that I want to trade, because I know that this process works. There's a reason why all successful traders do this. There is a reason why all professional traders do this step. The hedge funds, the prop firms, S&B Capital, all of those, they do this. And if I were to promise anything, I can promise you that if you don't do this, then you won't make this work. I can promise you with absolute certainty, if you don't do this step, you are guaranteed to make zero. Because that is what a lot of people's results are. You've heard about 90% of traders or people that want to be a trader, can't even call them traders. 90% of people who try this and want to make it work and want to do this for a living don't end up being successful at all. And only 10%, a small percentage of people, go on and actually be profitable with trading. Why is that? You have to be willing to put in the work. If you desire to want to be a professional trader, if you have that burning desire that I want to do trading for a living, this is how I want to generate my profits. This is what I want to do with my life. That's the drive it's going to take. Because you need a lot of dedication in doing this work right here. Before you put the trading before you go out and trade live with your trading plan. Because you've tested everything. You know it works. You have the confidence to trade it. I just wanted to put this video together and explain this to you further in depth. Even though I'm a little tired, because this information is important. It's imperative that you sit down and put in this kind of work. And another major reason I wanted to quickly put this together is because I care. I care about the people that I work with. I care about you and helping you get to this point right here, where you can actually trade with confidence, absolute certainty that what you're doing, you know, produces a result. And I know a lot of people are going to ask the question, yeah, but you can't predict the future. And I agree with you. You're absolutely right. Past performance is not indicative of future events. But guess what? And all the funds agree on this. It is the only measuring stick we have. So by doing all of these steps correctly, by having all the correct steps and you follow the process, that's why I say trading profitably will be inevitable for you. But it takes putting in the work. Are you putting in the work? And it's not just being honest with me. You know what I'm gonna say. It's about being honest with you. The reason why I do what I do is because what I want for myself and what I do every single day, I want for everybody. I have a philosophy, to have greatness in my life, and one of the ways to have that is service to many. You may have heard of that phrase. Service to many leads to greatness. And what a beautiful, wonderful passion that is. To have a genuine desire for other people to do well in life. And I'm truly grateful to be here and be part of your world and help you achieve that which you want to have. Which is doing trading for a living. So, I don't want this to go on any longer than it needs to. It's Saturday night, putting in the backtesting work, testing new strategies, wanting to go out there, make some more money from the live markets because I love trading. And I wanted to put this together to ask you that question to you. Because I love each and every one of you and want you to do well. Always. So, I will see everyone next week in the live room and helping you throughout your trading journey with everything that you already have access to. Okay? And if you don't, and you do want to get in contact with me and you're still haven't decided to move forward yet, well, I promise you that you're in good hands, and I have the most genuine interest in heart to help advance you to get to a point of actually getting practical, real results with this. Okay? So if you are looking to work one-on-one with someone, then I'd be more than happy to be part of your team. And what I'll do is put a link in the description below where you can click on that, contact me, fill out the form, and then we can connect together and start doing this. But first we have to learn, right? First we go through all the training material, then we put together a plan for you. It's important that we have a game plan moving forward. Then we're going to test that together to know that what works for you. And then we'll start trading that live together. I think that's the best approach moving forward. Okay. So I look forward to working with you soon. Have a fantastic, wonderful, extraordinary weekend. Be safe, enjoy life. My name's Phil C. I'll talk to you soon.